Hello everyone. Welcome to NPK Consultancy's The Tax Fix. My name is Nomthanda Zondwalane and I am with
Patricia Komani.
There we go. All right, so today we are going to be dealing with foreign matters, right? Specifically for those who work remotely for a foreign client or you work abroad, right? Question number one. Let's say that I work remotely for a foreign company and I am based here in South Africa.
Okay.
What are the tax implications for me?
Your income is taxable in South Africa. So the fact that you are in South Africa, that income becomes a source of South Africa. You are the source of South Africa, right? Because you're the one producing the income.
Right.
So because you're the one producing the income, then that income is taxable in South Africa.
Makes sense.
Should it happen that your employer or your client, right, has deducted that tax in their country, it is still taxable here in South Africa. You might have a benefit of that tax being reduced here in South Africa for that, but otherwise it is taxable in South Africa. You need to submit your tax return and you might have to pay taxes.
There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Right, on to question number two.
Okay.
Quickly, right? I am a South African citizen and I
Okay.
work abroad,
Okay.
right? Should I submit tax returns? What happens there?
Ooh, I love this question. There are two answers to your question, right?
Right.
So scenario number one would be you work abroad.
Yeah.
You are a South African resident, right? So for tax purposes, we look at residency,
Yeah.
whether you still qualify as a resident or not. So
Okay.
if you are working abroad and you're South African resident and you earn income of less than 1.25 million, that income is exempt for tax purposes, meaning that there's no tax implication on that 1.25 million.
Wow.
However, you are still required to submit your income tax return to SARS via e-filing or through professionals, but that submission needs to be done. If you do not submit, then you are not compliant, and you know what happens with SARS? Penalties.
Right. There we go, ladies.
And scenario two, right?
Yes.
If you work abroad, earning more than 1.25 million from your foreign employer,
Yes.
anything above the 1.25 million is taxable in South Africa.
Right.
So you still need to submit your tax return, but now there are that tax implication on it, right? Know what your deductions are. And let's say there is amount that is taxable and your employer has also deducted taxes once again, then that tax can be deducted in South Africa to reduce the amount of tax that you have to pay here if you meet the qualifications of the specific section in the Income Tax Act.
Alrighty, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, always stay compliant.
Yes.
Submit those tax returns on time to avoid any penalties. And that's it from me and
Pat.
see you next time.
Bye.